What if growing sprouts was as easy as pushing a button? Hey, I'm Anniken from Agriris from Norway, and I want to introduce you to our innovation, the AutoSprout. At Agriris, we're a team of engineers and plant scientists, and for the last 2 years, we've been working hard to create something truly special, a solution to growing fresh, anti-inflammatory sprouts automatically. Now, before we show you how the AutoSprout is going to boost your health, let us tell you why it matters to us personally.
At the core of our mission is a deep commitment to healthy living and a sustainable future by building the bridge between organic, regenerative agriculture and health. A few years back, I personally experienced the impact of burnout and gut issues. I know firsthand the challenges of maintaining good health in today's fast-paced world. But I also discovered something truly remarkable: the healing power of sprouts.
Sprouts are nutrient-dense, easy to digest, and can be grown year-round, making them an excellent addition to any diet. But sprouts aren't just good for us. They're good for the planet too. Traditional agriculture practices are unsustainable for health and the planet, contributing to poor nutrition that messes with our bodies, degrades and pollutes our valuable soil and water, and causes greenhouse gas emissions. The AutoSprout is a high-quality, food-safe stainless steel appliance that enables anyone to grow anti-inflammatory organic sprouts at home with minimal effort. With the push of a button, you can have a continuous supply of nutrient-rich sprouts ready to eat in just a few days. And because the AutoSprout is designed to last for years, you'll save money and reduce waste over time.
But the benefits of the AutoSprout go beyond convenience and sustainability. Sprouts are also known for their powerful health benefits, including supporting digestion, boosting immunity, and reducing inflammation. By incorporating sprouts into your diet, you're making a conscious choice to prioritize health and well-being.
And that's why we're so passionate about the AutoSprout. It's not just a gadget, it's a tool for change. By growing your own sprouts, you're reducing your reliance on dirty agriculture practices and supporting local, generative food production. You're also taking a step towards food as medicine for your gut, promoting your own health and vitality.
At Agriris, we believe that together we can make a difference. By backing the AutoSprout, you're not just supporting a great product, you're joining a movement and community to transform the way we grow and eat food. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards a healthier, more sustainable future, back our project today and help us bring the AutoSprout to life, one sprout at a time.